Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏. Very proud to have Kunal with me today, one of our recent students, 390s and 1/8, 19 speaking, 90 in writing, and 19 listening, 79 in reading. Congratulations, Kunal, very well done.
Thank you so much, bye.
Kunal, you have just cleared the exam in just 1 month. I normally see a lot of students, they try it for months and months. What do you think is the most important factor when it comes to clearing the PT exam, that too in just 1 month?
I think most important factor is the lot of practice on portal. First of all, like I have not given exam before this. I have given it for first time, and the most important part is the strategy classes. It helped me not to know about the PT, because I don't know anything. I was like not aware about anything about the PT, but it helped me a lot to know actually what is going to happen in the PT, what type of questions will come, and which helped me a lot. Another crucial thing is the practice on portal.
See, when it comes to practicing on the portal, right? I remember you have taken a number of mock tests as well.
Yeah.
How mock tests help you, and how did the portal help you, Kunal?
I have not. You said it right. That I have given a lot of mock tests. I've not practiced a lot of questions. I've just gone through all the mock tests. I just ask you a lot of time to give me more access to more mock tests, because I just took three week. So it helped me a lot to like go through the time also, how I will manage the time in the PT, and it give me a like it gives me it put me in a position like how I will score, how I will do in my PT exam.
That's right. So it basically gave you a real picture of what will happen in the exam, what you have to actually do, how you have to manage time. So you had a clear-cut picture of what the exam is going to look like before you even went for the test.
Yeah.
It's very important you take as many mocks you can, because once you take mock test, you get difficult questions in the mock test. The difficulty level is high. You are under pressure. You are in the same exam environment, and that makes it very easy for you when you go and take the actual test. You're not nervous. There are no surprises. You know what to expect and how to tackle with all the surprises. Kunal, you have attended the reading sessions as well. Along with the reading sessions, any final piece of advice for students out there who are just missing by a few points? They want to clear it in the very first go. How to score a perfect 90?
I think for like I'll go one by one. For the speaking section, if you are doing read aloud or repeat sentence, you just have to go with you don't have to rush. Just in the starting, I was very like I was rushing, and I was not getting my score in the practice session in the labs. But when I like slowed my speed, I started getting score, and the same technique I used in the exam too. And for the repeat sentence, I think it's not necessary to go all the sentence in one go. You just have to repeat how much you have like listened properly, and that's all.
That's right.
And for the writing session, for essay, like the template you have given me, is the best template, because all the 3 times which like I have given exam, I have seen different type of question.
Yes.
And the template I used is the same, and I scored good marks.
Yes.
And I'm very happy about it.
That's
and right. For listening, you just have to be focused.
Yeah, that's 100% correct. It's very important, as Kunal has mentioned, don't rush in speaking. Don't just focus on repeating 100% of the content in repeat sentences. Repeat as much as possible. And when it comes to your writing, follow the templates, listening, focus, and manage your time, and reading, attend the practice sessions, and you are going to get your desired score. Congratulations, Kunal, once again, and all the very best.
Thank you so much. Bye.
That's it from this video, guys. Remember this thing: if Kunal has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. He has scored 390s, 179 in just a month of practice. Why? Because he was regular. He used to join the practice sessions. He used to attend the reading sessions, and he has taken a lot of mock tests. If you commit yourself, if you devote yourself to regular practice, ask for feedback and practice on the same, 120% you are going to get your desired score as well. That's it from this video. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.